Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer from Trust Wallet to Metamask. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Trust Wallet application, which of course I have done right here. Now, upon launching, you're going to be asked to either enter your passcode or your biometrics, and that's going to take you into this homepage. Now, it will interest you to know that Trust Wallet is a secure self-custody crypto wallet supporting 10 million plus assets across 70 plus blockchains, including crypto. You can buy, sell, swap, transfer, and earn cryptocurrencies all in one place. Isn't that interesting to know about Trust Wallet? Awesome. Now let's hop into today's text, which is how to transfer from Trust Wallet to Metamask. From this homepage, you're going to find two tabs, Crypto and NFTs. So ensure that it is set to the Crypto tab. Now over you're going to find a couple of tokens that you can transfer from Trust Wallet to Metamask. If you cannot find your token here, go ahead and click on Manage Token, Manage Crypto. And once you click on Manage Crypto, at the top right corner is going to find the plus button. Click on that to add a custom token. But for now, I'm just going to select anyone that I've used, let's say BNB. So I'm selecting this BNB in here, and here I have different icons, which include send, receive, swap, and more. So click on send, and once you click on send, it's going to take you to this window. Now, open your Metamask wallet. Once you open your Metamask wallet, go ahead and find the deposit button. Click on deposit, and once you click on deposit, select the token, which in this case is BNB. Once you select the token, you're going to find your wallet address. You're also going to find the QR code. Copy the wallet address. Once you copy the wallet address, head over to your Trust Wallet. Once you get in here, click on the paste option. Once you click on this paste option, you're going to see that the address is going to be pasted. Now, if you don't want to use the address manually, you can click on the scanner to scan the QR code that you're going to find in your Metamask account for BNB. Now, after pasting your address, where you have this amount, click on the BNB amount that you want to transfer. And once you click on the BNB amount that you want to transfer, this next button at the bottom corner of the screen is going to be activated. Click on that to initiate your transfer. Once your transfer has been successfully completed, you're going to see that the BNB that you sent or you transferred from Trust Wallet will be added to your Metamask wallet. It's pretty much simple. That's it. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.